this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock chat in Roblox on your mobile. So if you want to go and use the chat feature to chat with other people in Roblox, I'm going to show you how to go in, unlock and enable this. So the first step is just to load up the Roblox app on your phone, click on More in the bottom right hand side. You can then scroll down the page and select Settings. Now click on Account Info. And first of all, make sure you have a verified phone number and also email address. As you can see, both of mine say verified. You can then come back over to the previous window, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions, and then select Communication. Now click on Experience Chat, and make sure both of these options are turned on and enabled. Now, if you don't have these options or you can't turn them on, then what you'll need to do is come back over to the previous window, and then from the account info page, we need to scroll down to the birthday. Now make sure your birthday is at least 13 years of age, and then you'll need to press the Continue with ID button, and you'll need to go through the steps to verify your age on Roblox. Now once you've done this, you should be able to come back over to the main settings page, click back on Privacy and Restrictions, and come back over to Communication. You can then click on Experience Chat, and you should now be able to turn on both of these features. You can then go and load a Roblox game, and you can now start using the chat feature.